चलिए शुरू करते हैं। राइट क्लिक, गो टू फॉर्मेट बैकग्राउंड, select color, click on the insert tab, select word art, write project title here, select size 30 and 24. Go to format, align middle and set. Click on insert tab, shapes, select donut. Size 10 cm and 10 cm. Select no line, येलो पॉइंट को लेफ्ट में खींच देंगे. Align center and align middle. Go to insert, shapes, select triangle, height 10 cm, align center and align middle, duplicate, rotation 60 degree, align center and align middle, again duplicate, rotation 120 degree, select rectangle, click on home tab, click on merge, select union, first select donut, next select rectangle, select fragment, deselect donut shape, and delete. Now we will change the color of shapes one by one. Select and group. Click on format shape, top से select circle, width 15 and height 15, depth size 200. Click on 3D rotation, click on present, select perceptive relax moderately and set. Click on insert tab, shapes, select circle, select no line, go to format shape, 3D format, select bevel, to duplicate, place here, again duplicate, place here, insert, shapes, select arrow, click on shapes outline, width size 3 point and select dashes, duplicate, place here, again duplicate, place here, select 3 arrow, duplicate, click on rotate, select flip horizontal and place here. Select first arrow, shape outline, select color. Now we will change the colors of the arrows by one. Select first bevel, click on shape fill, select color. Now we will change the color shapes one by one. Select first bevel, right click, edit text, click on insert, symbol, select symbol and insert. Then now add symbols to oval shape one by one. Select all symbols. Home tab, size 44, and select black color. Insert, click on text box. Write here symbol description. Select color, select point 1, size 28, and middle. Select point 1, change the color and bold. Duplicate. Change numbers and colors. Select 3 text box, duplicate, place here. Again change the numbers and color. Select arrow and select first circle shape, then group. Select second shape and arrow, then group. Select third shape and arrow, then group. Select fourth arrow and shape, then group. Select fifth arrow and shape, then group. Select, then group. Select donut shape, right click, go to format shape, 3D format, angle to 0 degree, then close. We will select all except donut shape. Click on animation tab, select flywheel, animation pane, select these 3 groups, click on effect option, select from left, select this text box, click on effect option, select from top, select second text box, click on effect option, select from left, select these 3 groups and this text box, click on effect option, select from right, select this text box, effect option, select from top, select all animation, right click, timing, start after previous, duration 1 second fast, then OK. Select donut shape, click on more entrance effect, select basic zoom, then OK. Basic zoom animation will take second. Right click, timing, start after previous, duration 1 second fast, then OK. Now play the slideshow and see.
So hope this video is helpful to you as well as enjoyable for you. In this video, we have shown how to create infographic animation in PowerPoint in step-by-step manner. So if you have any doubt, please ask in the comment box. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. So we'll meet you in the next video. Stay connected. Thank you.